Now the horse came out of the military field cabinet drawings up to our aid 118. Oh, I have to memorize it like this. If I say it, then it will be close to Swelly Bubble Carbide, Sampalet and Namagalvi navigation. Then you will hide, right? The number is staggering. There are 30 Tech 1 toddlers, but there are 40 Kalswabi dishwasher cruises. If you want to pick up someone else, then it's all 50. 118, right? Yes, 60. The effect of the Dio corner is 70, right? Lulatan Team Neo, this platinum number. So are you 80? Since the water source is 80 minutes, it is eliminated by Parapolato Thallium Nabist Pludius Tadier, eliminated by beeper. Napoleon Radium 10 heads to France, then 90 heads.
Erna browser Donapur, then finally Tonef Kibo Karup Protomactinium Prototi is Fognepra Protonium Uranium, Neptunium Protonium Amerization, Fognepra Kiv Kerapaki is Berklinium Caribbean, Ashidanim, Pornium. Then this is 100, and then it came 15 times as a manhole. If you want to cut a manhole, you have to cut it 15 times as a manhole. 15 years, one by one, this is 10, and then 15, that's right. Loconi pulpernitio, then there are 118. Oh, Lotto is just a little nosebleed. If you look at the milk play, it's a small aeropringer local river nori chair. Is this part Tenet Organic Organization Nation the correct issue at the end of 118? Then I will memorize 118 things by rote. This is not the least of you. 118 things are this. Where did it come from? And from the bank.
Well, this spiritual Kevin, this is the head of the whole barrel. This is crude oil in our cabinet. Ladies and gentlemen, it comes out of the cabinet when I give lectures. I'm not investiture or anything. It's just that.
Like this?
Just from what you memorized, you're definitely not a normal human, right?
And I don't, how old am I? But I have been doing this since I was young.
You're memorizing everything, right? I'm not someone who eats and makes a living with that. So why was I memorizing it? But I am the one who created the universe with that letter. Oh, it's contained in the individual. Oh, they don't even give you individual spreads.
Do strangers think aliens are delicious? Is it really a huge amount?
It's a huge amount.
What you rapped?
It was the same.
No, 118 is not a small number. And how the Yon program, Mosconium, something like this, locally Paul, something like this is a difficult word. Yeah, aren't you somehow? I can't buy it.
Did it?
It's an association. It's a collection of words that don't work well. These are not all letters that the average person knows roughly.
So I always put all 8 things in the lid for 200 years, right? This has to be imagined on the spiritual beach. Take this and open another boat. How stupid is the person who made the original book cycle until the age of 9? He is a scientist. Oh, do you know what he picked up next to Olga Nation in the end?
After Olganison, it was called a petition and then removed it. The person who created the elemental ratio table, and did you add something that is not an element as an original? I took it out because I put it in.
I hit him, but he put ether and tear in it. Then why did they take the ether from us? Electron quantum charge. It's the energy that keeps that electron spinning when it creates a sliver. So it doesn't need to be charged. It runs forever without charging. The electron is inside your microphone. There is iron. How many 3 electrons are there? 2. Can 3 electrons spin? Won't you then look at this thing that spins the electron? What is the energy that spins the electron? Everyone needs to know that. This guy made a mistake. Now here's hydrogen. What's spinning inside the hydrogen is the premise is spinning. So who charges an electric battery like our cell phone? That charge is counter-terrorism. We are spiritually charging every cell with the ether. I'm like this in your body. So the electron is actively moving here right now, right? If you look closely under a microscope, you don't charge those electrons with a battery that moves them. We put that ether in. The 18 elements are not important. It's ether that keeps that element alive.
Very.
It's important. But who doesn't know that, scientists?
Dark energy.
Someone, then that doesn't need to be charged.
Plus, electrons spin and you have your cells. If you take the ether out of your body, all the electrons disintegrate. What do you become and fly into the air?
Changes when you remove the liquid. What does it change? Then wind, rain, clouds, dew, snow, fog. Turned into a crime. Oh, yeah, isn't it? This is how you are disintegrated and disappear. All of this is because of Yatayo. So this energy called ether is God's dark matter and dark energy. This dark energy is not charged with human wires or anything like that. The mind of the Creator. I put it all in. That's why those flowers are clustered like that. Can this exist without Italy?
There's an electron quantum loyalist going around here.
So, do you guys charge this, don't you? But no matter how thick a piece of metal it is, it's working inside it. Can you charge every atom in there? We are doing it automatically. Italy. It's scary. So the price of 118 elements.
Are you doing it?
We are the ones who stop this action. Then if you go to Harvard University and lecture on this, you will all faint at first. No one even knows an enemy for over 110 years. Okay, but how are you moving with this enemy? What is the function of ether? God's energy is doing it. Then if you answer this, everything will come back to work. It's gone, so it's Waterland. Yeah, what's next? Is this ice?
So you're just going to do it with this?
Why is the temperature gone? Isn't that right? It just disappears and something like this? It turns into permission, turns into ice, turns into water, turns into this.
So if you take an element for 100 years and subtract the ether from it, all electronic activity stops, right? If electronic activity stops, the human body disintegrates.
These cells have electrons moving in every cell, and that electricity is a spirit. That electricity is put in by us, not by someone who puts in nutrients.
The premise turns is that you eat nutrients and the premise doesn't turn. Only the cell is here. The electrons in the female eye of the cell are spinning. The electrons are spinning like this, 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 spinning. Next to the cell is water.
This water is the nutrient that you eat, and the cells are floating in this water. They are floating and the electrons in this go back and forth. If you go back and forth, the electrons are the batteries that we have placed. This is not charged through food. Is this charged? No, you need to know that. Explain that scary word, and as scary as a question is a question.
The world. So people who dare to call the brain a fake god or something like this have no end to the disaster. They will find out later. Oh, I said that one word and the corner of the house was completely destroyed like this. By the time I found out later, it was already too late.
Well, the poet is here, but the maid doesn't recognize him. You can't. No, you shouldn't think that raising what I do will change a person's character. It's not working. It's been 3 years since the child Kim Ki-sung passed away. But I created all this in 3 years. How will it change in 30 years? It's a palace in Yeongju City.
That's right.
So we have one. Our Korean peninsula is bound to be lucky because I have... It's funny, I'm telling you everything about Yugi's secrets and our economy, right? I should always talk and have fun. Oh, it's fun. I'm not a physics professor. Isn't it? Is there a God who talks about what kind of God will come and what kind of material world? When you go to Kyung Mountain, there are those guys sitting on the opposite side. No one knows why matter was created or what happened.
Yes.
Oh, what is this? What is that? That Akasa president sits there and says this, but that's wrong.
It's a gas cabinet.
The Sprite cabinet is a spiritual cabinet. It can be as big as this, it can be infinitely big, and if you just shoot it, the universe will change. Ratios are created and eliminated, and that's a mathematical formula in the White Kingdom. How many galaxies does plus or minus make? Let's pick something and make it in order. It is similar to the living universe. Now, what physicists say is 99% fake. Now, this Kyung Young space energy product is also an atomic energy product.